Now tell me who doesn't want to know how to make shrimp fried rice,
Ooh,
restaurant
yes.
style. Tasty, delicious, healthy. There are 1001 ways to make this dish, but this is the quickest and the easiest, I tell you. For those of you who are fried rice lovers or who wants to know how to improvise your own restaurant style shrimp fried rice recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So let's get to it. My healthy food lovers, as you can see, it's all ready to go into my mouth. Juicy looking, awesome looking, the wonderful shrimp fried rice restaurant style dish. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time, with Chef Pam, bye-bye.